Good morning, students. In the last class, we have studied about the unit number 3 pros. How do bees make money? So, we have done with the explanation and also the match the following with their description. So, here you can see the pictures in the A column and the B column is description. So, we have matched and we have discussed in the live session. So, you can see the honeybee and honey making. Third is honeycomb. Fourth is beehive. And we have done with the explanation in the last week. So, two questions also we have discussed while reading it, while explaining the lesson. So, the first question, what is honey used for? So, honey is used for healing properties and antibacterial action. It has been used in medicine for over 5,000 years. Honey can replace sugar in meals. So second one, where do bees collect nectar from? So where do the bees collect nectar? The bees collect nectar from flowers. Okay. So this is the chapter we have discussed. And coming to the keywords, first one is nectar. What is nectar? A sweet fluid produced by flowers and made into honey by bees. A sweet fluid produced by flowers and made into honey by bees. So second one, in bloom. So what is bloom? With the flowers fully open. Where you can see the flowers, it's fully open, it's a bloom. So honey sac is also called a honey stomach. Okay. Next is hive. It's a beehive, a structure wherein bees live and make honey. So enzyme, chemical substance that is produced. So here are some more keywords. That is glossary. Fan, make air move around. Fan is nothing but make air move around. So second one is evaporate, turn from liquid into vapor. So evaporate, turn from liquid to vapor. So honeycomb, a block of wax full of six-sided holes in which bees store honey. So evaporate is nothing but turn from liquid into vapor, and honeycomb is a block of wax full of six-sided holes in which bees stores honey. So hexagonal, having six sides. Wax is smooth substance made by bees to seal the honey-filled cells. So wax is nothing but smooth substance made by bees to seal the honey-filled cells. Okay. And here you have a 3 glossary. So the next meaning glossary is regurgitate, bring food that you have already swallowed back into your mouth. So bring food that you have already swallowed back into your mouth. So the next one is dehydrate, remove the water from something. Remove the water from something. So the last is ventilate, admit fresh air. So ventilate is admit fresh air. So the next is answer the following questions in a word, a phrase. So here you can see the answer to the following questions. So first question is, what does honey contain? So what does honey contain? Honey contains sugar, proteins, iron and calcium. So what does it contain? Sugar, protein, iron and calcium. So why do bees fan honey? Bees has their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. Where do bees store the honey? Bees store the honey in a honeycomb. So what is honeycomb? Honeycomb is a hexagonal, all made of wax produced by the bees. So how long does a bee live? So honeybee live for a month. Next question is sixth one. Read the lesson again and write two things that the bees do to produce honey. Read the lesson again and write two things that the bees do to produce honey. So what are the two things? So first thing is bees need a nectar, and the second thing is the nectar mixes with proteins and enzymes produced by the bees. So mention the work done by the house bees and field bees. You have to mention what is the work of house bees and the field bees. So here house bees keep the house clean and well ventilated. They build new combs to store honey. So what is the field bees job? Field bees are older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. So here you can see the 7 question answers and 7 questions which we have discussed now. So here you have the honey making process. What is the honey making process? How do they do? So first is bees feed on the flowers and plants. So what is in doing so? It transfer pollen and pollinates flowers. And next after that it makes honey from the nectar which humans put in jars, protecting nature. And last is and providing a habitat for the bees. So this is the process, how the bees honey making process. Okay. So the next is how to make. So following are the few recipes. Read them and understand how to prepare different food items. You have to read them and you have to understand how to prepare different types of food. Okay. So this will be discussing in the live session. So all the students will be at the time, so we can discuss there. So first is recipe 1, that is upma recipe. So these are the ingredients that what you want to prepare upma. Okay. So the next, in the next page they have given how you will make a upma, making of upma. So this will be discussing in the live session, and I'll be sending the notes of this lesson, how do bees make honey. So you need to complete it on our classwork, that is English classwork. Thank you students.